Good day. We have spoken before about investment in Georgia and what are the risks. I'm going to put the link in description. But today we were going to discuss which is better, Batumi or Tbilisi, because as you know, Georgia is no longer an emerging random market. It has become mature real estate market where success depends only on understanding the demand, liquidity, and the exit strategy. So today we will speak about why Tbilisi matters and why Batumi represented a stronger sales opportunity in 2026. First of all, let's speak by numbers. Tbilisi, the market stability benchmark. Tbilisi market numbers in 2025 with 38,000 deals, average price per square meter 1,400 to 2,000, annual price growth 7% to 10% depends on the area, and we will speak about the areas later. Who buys in Tbilisi? Local Georgian residents, long-term Russian residents, corporate buyers, foreign who are seeking for permanent location. So, Tbilisi is a capital preservative market, strong demand, stable liquidity, but limited upside for rapid capital growth. Because capital growth, it depends on what you will choose. Why? Because Tbilisi is not fast profit city. There are some inquiry about Tbilisi like location, misdemeanor, weak. It's number one by Russian, and Russians number one who are buying in Tbilisi after Georgians. When we talk about foreigners, Russian number one. So if locals are buying, they are buying the thing that is not renovated, so they do renovation and sell it later with capital money more. Why investors taking higher returns to move to Batumi, not Tbilisi? Because Batumi is not a residential city. Batumi is a pure investment opportunity. Despite that, the difference in size between Batumi and Tbilisi, there are 25,000 deals was done in Batumi. Average price per square meter 1,700 and the annual price growth up to 18%. Even fewer transactions than Tbilisi, Batumi shows higher turnover and stronger price acceleration. Why? Because top buyers nationalities in Batumi, Russians, Israelis, Ukrainians, Polish investors, Gulf investors. The key difference is that Batumi buyers are not looking to live there. They are looking to rent, resale, or hold for 2-3 years, especially when it's off plan. This creates resale-driven market, not an end-user market. So Batumi real estate growth beyond the sea view, it's not like about the sea, because small units, we are talking about higher liquidity, we're talking about from 25 to 45 square meter, lower entry ticket, easier resale of plan projects, which they are selling 1,000 per square meter, $1,200 per square meter, so you can exit $1,600. And also seasonal rental pressure, it's summer demand, drive prices upwards, so you will make high value. Also, the buyer mindset in Batumi is different, and they're like, how do I exit profitable? Not how do I live there? So this is the difference between Batumi and Tbilisi. So investors lose money in Batumi if they choose only the wrong developer. That's it. Buying an oversupplied projects like the project that it has a lot of apartments, it's very hard to resell. Weak locations like far from the sea, 800 meters, no. Unknown developers who has like the first project they are providing or something like this. So it's not like you buy smart. You have to buy smart in Batumi. Invest smart in Batumi, because Batumi, it will be like in 2-3 years, it will be too much a competitive market. How you can stand and exit and make a lot of money, it depends on the project you will choose. It depends on the developer you are dealing with, and also the developer management. Does the developer offer also management post handover? And the price per square meter has to be less than 2,500 if it's the first line in the sea, and $2,000 if it's a little bit far from the sea to make return, because above that you will make like 7% maximum ROI and 10% maximum capital appreciation if it's above this price. So if we're going to talk about Batumi and Tbilisi, what is the difference? For market stability, Tbilisi is high, Batumi medium. Price growth, Tbilisi is moderate, Batumi high. Liquidity, Tbilisi is stable, but Batumi faster. It depends on the location and the developer. Resale potential, more profitable in Batumi, easier in Tbilisi if you choose the right project. Investor type in Batumi, it's conservative and opportunity driven. For Tbilisi, most conservative long-term investors who are looking to own and rent. Opportunity-focused investors, just they choose Batumi because a small tickets, a small movement. So Tbilisi will always be an important city. Real opportunities sometimes expand in Batumi and other areas. So growth is still forming, prices are still correcting, and the market still remain. If you want to know more about the Georgian market, I will be glad to have a little chat about it and discuss what are the best projects in Batumi and Tbilisi regarding to your investment plan. In the next deposits, we will talk about what are the market trends and how to make money in Georgia doubled in 2 years. Have a good day.